Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about a background remover website guys. This will blow your mind because you will never see, you will never find on the internet lifetime free background remover. So this website is very interesting guys and this will blow your mind. So let's start the video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it because it takes hours to find this kind of website for you guys. So I hope you will subscribe my channel. So let's start the video guys. Firstly, you will have to open your Google Chrome and you will have to write down Adobe background remover and then click the first website. You will have to open this website. Then whatever kind of video you have, just upload it. Just upload your photo and here you will have to upload your photo guys. Just browse on your device, click on there and whatever photo you have. Suppose I want to remove this photo background, so I just clicked on that and just wait for 5 to 10 seconds. See guys, after 5 to 10 seconds they have removed the background. Now you will have to download it. Just download it from here and if you are coming very first time, so they will ask for sign up guys. So click on sign up and you will have to sign up with Google, Facebook, Apple, whatever you have. So I'll click on Google account. See guys, after logged in, automatically your photo will be downloaded guys. So let me see how they have removed this is my photo guys. This was my original and this is which they have removed the background. So see, this was my photo and they have removed the background. How clearly they have removed the background guys. So after login it will be automatically downloaded. So this is lifetime free guys. So let them again, just go to the website home page and just click on your photo and it will open it. It takes a few seconds. Just click on browse on your device and suppose now I want to remove the background of this photo. So wait for 4 to 5 seconds and they will remove the background guys. See guys, after 4 to 5 seconds it got removed. So now you will have to download it. Just click on download and your photo will be downloaded guys within 5 to 10 seconds. See guys, here it got downloaded from here. You can edit it from here if you want more edit. Let me check my photo. See, this was my previous photo guys and they have removed the background. How clearly they have removed the background. So you can use this website guys totally free of cost and lifetime free. You don't need to pay anything. So this is amazing Adobe background removal guys. So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day guys. All the best.